Hey guys, Friday at Adrenaline Rush. I know you ain't seen me in a while. We've just been really busy. But today we are going to unbox the Kayo, their dirt bike, their mini dirt bike. We have never had one of these in our store, so we figured we'd let you experience it with us. This is a 60cc mini dirt bike. You can get some younger kids on it. You can have some adults on it, use it for a pit bike. Let's get this thing unboxed and show you what all it takes to put one of these together. Turn the gas on. Let's see. Right there. Now. Okay guys, so we got the unit. It's the, let's see, this is the KM60. It's made by Kayo. First time we ever put it together. You guys were here, you saw the real deal. Obviously you saw that we had some issues. So straight out of the box, it's fairly simple to put together. It's not very complicated. There was a couple things me and my assistant Tony helped with today that we saw the issue was, first of all, we had a hard time finding the screw for this. I have no idea where it was, so we found something and it worked. We made it work. Another thing too, they give you these two black zip ties. No idea what they're for. So don't know what to tell you what that's for. I guess I'm assuming all this wiring behind this cover, they expect you to use this. You don't really need it. It's kind of pointless. Another thing too, as you can see in the video, it didn't start up immediately. We had to go in. I had to fix, first of all, on the very top of the carburetor, there is a slide that allows so much air into the carburetor that wasn't installed properly. And another thing too, the float height wasn't set properly, and in the video you can see we're leaking gasoline everywhere. We got that corrected. But so far so good. I mean, the bike rides good. It seems like once we got it started and running, everything works great. The brakes feel good on this thing. The chain seems like it's real quiet. With somebody like me, with that initial takeoff, it is a little slower on the takeoff, but you can get it going once you get moving. This will be great for a kid. I think they would love it. They'd have fun on it. For $999, you really can't beat it. I know there's Power Wheels out there that you can buy that are like $600–700. You're getting a gas motored dirt bike for a younger child for under $1,000. You can't really beat it. This is obviously an automatic. It is carbureted, as I said before. You got your reserve, you're on, you've got your choke that's located on the bottom here. But overall, I would say if we were talking about a scale from 1 to 10, I would give this thing probably about a 7. There are some components that they should have took a little bit more pride in when they built it, but for the most part, the braking's really good on it. The suspension could be a little bit better, but also I am a heavy person, so putting a child on here would probably be good. This right here, I can already tell some of the stitching is coming out on the bottom, but it is a nice piece that they added on. The levers are really nice. Everything is really easy to use, easy pull, so the little kids, when they go pulling on those, they shouldn't have any issues stopping. With all that said, like I said, it's a great buy. You guys should come down to Adrenaline Rush Motorsport. Come see us, 1901 West 15th Street, Panama City, Florida, 32401, or give me a call at 850-874-2185. Give us a like, a subscribe, and ring the bell. Thanks guys for watching.